Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Salma Kusuma Wardani, NPM 1975160. I am from Diploma 3 Agribusiness Polytechnic of Lampung. I am currently on my Business English Practice Final Exam 1. Hello everyone, here I am as the Marketing Manager of PT Agrinesia Raya. Now I want to introduce one of the product, namely Lapis Bogor Sangkuriang. Lapis Bogor Sangkuriang is part of PT Agrinesia Raya, is the largest and first food producer to use the main ingredient of taro flavor in Bogor. Established in June 2011 with the main products namely Lapis Talas Bogor Cake, which is named Lapis Bogor Sangkuriang. Having a distinctive taste and soft cake texture is commitment to developing the business. Food products so that they can be used as typical Bogor souvenirs. With the application of the standard food safety system, ensuring the quality of the cake and a quality as a well hygiene and supported by a competent workforce makes PT Agrinesia Raya as a well accepted food producer by the community. Our food products have been certified halal by MUI. Lapis Bogor Sangkuriang has many variants including 1. Original cheese. For this Lapis Bogor Sangkuriang flavor variant, you can taste the sweetness of taro in the form of a soft layer cake. The combination of grated cheese is tasty and creamy, sweet but not necessarily creates a balanced taste. Must try if it's your first time trying Lapis Bogor Sangkuriang. 2. Full taro cheese. If the original variant is a combination of layer of taro and cheese, this time you can enjoy the sweetness of taro to your heart's content. Don't worry, the softness and composition are still balanced and maintained really. 3. Milk taro. If the original flavor variant uses cream on the topping of the cake, then in this taro milk variant it uses legit milk custard instead. 4. Coco pandan cheese. Coconut and pandan are very familiar on the tongue of Indonesia culinary lovers who are famous for their distinctive savory sweet taste and fragrant aroma. Now you can enjoy them both in the Lapis Bogor Sangkuriang Coco pandan cheese flavor with a sprinkling of delicious cheese and cream. 5. Cheese brownies. The soft, dense, and full of chocolate cake is combined with abundant cream and cheese. Now you can enjoy it in the Lapis Bogor Sangkuriang cheese brownies flavor variant. 6. Chocovilla cheese. Chocolate and vanilla are classic flavors that never go wrong, especially when combined. If you are a chocolate and vanilla lovers, it's a good idea to try the Lapis Bogor Sangkuriang flavor variant, which is Chocovilla cheese. Guaranteed. 7. Chocolate banana. Chocolate banana or piscok is a light snack that is perfect for eating in the afternoon while hanging out with family and friends. That's what inspired Lapis Bogor Sangkuriang in creating a new flavor variant, chocolate banana. Enjoy the sweetness of the banana with the sweetness of chocolate in the right composition. 8. Original extra cheese. If the original cheese variant is still not satisfying enough, you can still order the original extra cheese flavor variant. You know, the difference between the two lies in the amount of cheese, where original cheese has an additional grated cheese in the middle of the cake. 9. Coffee milk. You can taste the Lapis Bogor Sangkuriang coffee milk flavor variant. You know, the combination of delicious coffee that is not too bitter and sweet and like milk is a complete companion for those lovers after a trip to Bogor. 10. Chocovilla Oreo. If the previous Lapis Bogor Sangkuriang flavor variant was Chocovilla cheese, now you can enjoy a delicious blend of chocolate and vanilla topped with your favorite snack crumb Oreo. Even though it is a blend of composition with sweet taste, you will not feel nauseous at all, really. Currently, I have one variant of Lapis Bogor Sangkuriang, namely the original cheese variant. In this variant, there are two layers that have a soft and moist cake texture, abundant cheese topping, the right sweet taste, the aroma of taro and cheese is very fragrant and really taste the taro. Packaging on Lapis Bogor Sangkuriang uses a cake box and given a layer of parchment paper to make it more hygienic. Store at room temperature 25 degrees Celsius or in a refrigerator with a temperature of 5 degrees Celsius so that the product is more durable. Avoid hot temperature and direct sunlight and do not place the box on its side or standing. Storage suggestions are provided in the cake box on the front and side of the box. To get this product, you can visit several official stores around the city of Bogor, one of which is on Kiai Haji Soleh Iskandar Raya, number 18C Bogor. It can also be through Shopee or Tokopedia as well as through our Instagram account. For more information, please contact 1500-262 for free delivery or WhatsApp at 08111 500-262. Maybe that's all I can say about the product of Lapis Bogor Sangkuriang. Sorry if there are words that are not pleasing so much for me. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.